So I wanted to show you what I'm going to do to the pineapples here. You can see I trimmed off the ends down here. Okay, if you look over, you can see how there's brown at the ends. Well, anytime you have dead leaves, anything like that, it takes from the plant. It takes nutrition and energy. So we want to get rid of those. So I'm actually going to go around here in this garden and I'm going to trim off all of the dead stuff, or I'm going to do my best. We've already filled in and replaced a few pineapples. So I don't know if you remember from last year, but they were massive and you could barely get through anywhere. So we cleaned out quite a bit. I've still got a little bit more to do. And then we're going to mulch it, and then Kurt will spray again with some liquid fertilizer, 10-10-10 organic. So anyways, when it's finished, I'll show you what it looks like, and just a great way to take care of your pineapples. So far, we've been counting. We counted yesterday, and it looks like we're up to 40 in this area right in here. So anyways, want to take good care of them. I guess I'll be painting again this year. It's a good problem. We finished our project in the front yard, the pineapple garden. So I went around yesterday and trimmed the edge of the leaves all the way around in the pineapples, and took off all the brown, the dead part of the plant. I wanted the rest of the plant to really be able to focus on getting nutrition to the pineapples, because they are growing and they're doing very well right now. We went around and counted, and we are up to about 40, and that's just the start of it. So really wanted to clean them up, get them mulched, and they just look beautiful. It's nice to walk up and see it all finished. And hopefully we'll have a great harvest this year. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.